Hello, beautiful souls. This is Outgoing Happymail. This is long overdue. I'm sending this to my friend Sonia, who has blessed me time and time again. And I've had it for a while. I didn't send it out because I wanted to do a tutorial on the mini album. And this is the mini album that I had made a digital file out of. I didn't release it yet. So this is going out to her. I'm sending this to Sonia. She's been very, very generous with me. She's been a sweet person with me. And, you know, outside from crafting, we do have a personal relationship as well. You know, a personal friendship. So I can't say enough about Sonia. She's such a doll. So I had, you know, I did a video on this before, but she didn't even know that it was going to her. And she absolutely loved it. So this was, you know, I made it with the intentions of giving it to her anyway. But it is a digital file. And I will do a video on this, you know, pretty soon so that I can release the file. And I did back it up with chipboard. And these are the pockets. These have pockets here, and this comes with the file, and all these elements come with the file as well. This is a little booklet that opens up, and all the pages have one of these with a different cover, and the cover does match this here, this booklet here. These booklets will not be in the kit because this is from the journal size, and they actually fit. You know, the pockets. So if you don't have the journal size, you can also purchase that to fit in here. But it will come with these, which it's going to be in a booklet form. These are going to be the inserts for here. And it is going to come in the booklet form like this. And if you already have the journal size, then, you know, you can implement it on the mini album. If you decide to purchase it. I thought it was a nice touch to include these little extra journaling spots. So again, these will not be included, but all these flower elements that you see here, they are included, including the sentiments. All the sentiments are you know, separate designs that you will be able to cut out and put in the booklet as well. So as you can see here, they all have different booklets on them, and the flowers. This one says sweet, and this one says life. And then there's this one. This is chipboard that I had colored with chalk paint, and then I used a stamp, a word stamp, and stamped words on there. I thought that came out really pretty. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. And you will have 8 of these pockets. And then this is the last page, which also has a pocket. And there's the back. I didn't put my seal on here. I think I better do that before I send it out. And I'm showing this now because I know that she's already received it. I didn't want to release this video until I was sure that she received it. I really wanted to surprise her since she loves surprising me. So, and she loves hearing my reaction, so I wanted to do the same thing to her. I love that as well. I love hearing other people's reaction. So that's the mini album I'm sending to her. And Ida, you are right. I do love using the binder rings to create my mini album. It's just so much easier and quicker, and I do have eyelets on the front page and the back page as well. I don't have the eyelets in between. Sonia, if you want, you could add eyelets, you know, to these pages if you wish, you know, to preserve them a little bit longer. So if you want to do that, you're more than welcome. You can alter that in any way you want. I am sending her some lace. There's 3 different laces in this sack. I don't want to take it out. because then I have to repackage everything all over again, and I don't want to do that. So, but there is lace in here. There's 3 different ones here. I am gifting her this lace in here. This has a garment pin with the paper rose. I like, you know, making things really, really pretty, especially when I'm sending out Happymail. So I'm sending her this bunch of lace here, and here's this one here. This is a this is this trim here that's on the mini album on the bottom, this pink one. That's what this one is. So I'm gifting her that. She's also going to get this pack filled with lace. I guess I can take this one out because these are in bags. So she's going to get this one here. This one is one of my favorites. She's going to get this one. She's going to get, this is like an applique lace here. Let me show this one because this one is really pretty. Look how pretty that is. And she can cut out the pieces out of here as, you know, as she wished to decorate her projects. This one is a 3D flower. So is that one. So is this one. So I guess I'm going to have to repackage this one, huh? Anyway, okay. So she's going to get that as well. And then I'm sending her some appliques here. There's two doilies. Yeah, there's 2 doilies here. There's one in white and one in cream. It's just like this one, but it's in cream. And then I'm sending her appliques, flower appliques, and some heart appliques, and some of this, some of those, as you can see here. So she's getting that as well. And that's it for the lace. And then I haven't decorated this box. I'm gonna let her do that. You know, she can decorate this the way she wants. You know, I was going to decorate it, and I said, no, let me let her do it the way that she wants. So this is a pencil box, and this is an alternative to the embellishment boxes that people were hauling from the Dollar Tree. Since I didn't really have access to that, I went with this instead. And inside, I made her this charm. These are clay pieces. These are polymer clay. And I made this topper for her. And these are polymer clay charms that I made. I used the Doily Dreams butterflies and parasol sheet to make embellishments for her. And I mounted it on clay. I printed out on regular copy paper. I didn't print it out on cardstock because I wanted it to be flat. And I, added glitter to this. This is the glitter that she had gifted me. It's a really, really pretty glitter. And then here's the bird cage. And again, I used that glitter that she gifted me. It's very, very sparkly. And then here is, this is a sticker sheet that I have on my shop. I'm going to make an announcement regarding the Doily Dreams elements because they will be discontinued. So if you didn't, if you haven't checked them out or you haven't purchased any of the ones you like, the ones that are being sold individually, they will be no longer, you will not be able to purchase them individually. I'm only going to have them as a bundle. And then I made her, some charms. I made her these charms. Here's this one. And these. This is a hand mirror. This was silver, and I colored it with a gold alcohol ink. Here's a little purse. This one has a heart that says made with love. And then there's this one that has like roses in the inside. This is called lamp work beads. So if you ever wanted to purchase any beads that had this kind of look to it, when you search for them on, I buy mine on eBay, search for lamp work beads, and you will have a variety, to choose from. This is what that is. Lamp work. It's so pretty. So pretty. And they're mainly, these are mostly glass. The only thing that's not glass are these pearl ones. These are like, you know, acrylic beads. But even this heart one here is glass. I do love using glass beads. And then there's this one here. Look how pretty that is. And I did color this. This was silver and I colored it gold as well with the gold alcohol ink. So she will be getting that. This was originally supposed to go on a mini album, but it just moved around too much, so I didn't want it to get tangled on there. So I decided just to, you know, put it in here separately, and she can do what, you know, she can hang it anywhere she wants. And I did include this huge lobster claw, so she can hang it off her purse if she wishes as well. And then there's this little tin. Look how sweet that is. I bought these a long time ago. Very, I don't even know where to get these from anymore because I bought them a long time ago. And I did add some metal charms in here. There's this little pink purse. She's very, one thing I know about Sonia is she's very, very girly. So I thought this suited her well. Here's a purple butterfly charm. There's a comb, another purse, a teacup, a blow dryer, a spoon, a little tiny spoon there. There's two of them in there. So that's what I've included in this little tin. And then I'm gifting her a bag of these holiday wooden buttons. There's Santa, penguin, a deer, the holly. There's a mitten here. It's backwards. Some trees and ornaments. So I'm going to gift her that. She's also going to receive these little, they're like tulips. I think these will make cute little angels. I'm going to attempt to make an angel out of these. These are so pretty, these tulips. And I'm going to color them too, because certain colors, you know, it's not shabby enough for me. And then I'm going to gift her this bag of resin roses. And, you know, they have variety of sizes and colors. I'm going to gift her these feet, these metal feet. I got these from AliExpress some time ago. I don't remember. But I'm going to gift her a pair of those. There's 4 in there. Some buttons. This is metal and a pearl on top. I use these as embellishments. So I cut off the shanks and I just use them as embellishments. These resin flat back pearls. Or acrylic. Actually, these are acrylic. Not resin, acrylic. And there's some in white and there's some in cream. I'm gifting her some garment pins in the brass color. I'm going to gift her, we did the Secret Santa swap and she was in my group, and I did gift her one of these, but I'm going to give her another one. And this one that says love. They're wooden pieces. And then she's getting this die, a double bow die. I had an extra one of these teacup girls. Well, she's, you know, she's a girl on the teacup. And then I'm gifting her this stamp. This is a sample that I had made, so she can see what it looks like. And it comes with a little snowman and some sentiments here. I'm also gifting her this stamp that says handmade. They're really tiny. I thought they were a lot bigger. Again, you know, the pictures online are very deceiving. If we don't know what the size is, we don't really know what we're getting. So that's that. And then I'm gifting her this beautiful, this dress form die. And it's a really nice size. Look at the size of that. This would be nice to put lace on it. You know, like a slim lace or ribbon. And then you gift it. That would be really pretty. Oh, that was it. That was it. I know she likes shabby also. She loves shabby and lace and things like that. So I wanted to share my world with her, since she's shared her world with me. And I love the way this turned out. I can't wait to release this for you guys, you know, to make an album that's really simple, especially for beginners. Enjoy, mamita, enjoy. I want to see projects made with this, you know, with the things that I sent you. I would love to see that. If you make a video, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, so if she makes a video, I would have her send it to me and I will upload it on my own channel. Especially if, you know, she wants me to see her reaction, I will definitely do that for her. So with that being said, all is well. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.